Welcome, everyone. Recently, we've been talking about how to integrate Canva work within Canvas. Today, I'm going to show you how to take a template that you've created in Canva and insert that into your Canvas assignment so that every student will receive a copy. You can see that right here in Canva, I have a template created. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to place it in Canvas. I also already have an assignment created in Canvas, but real quickly, let me edit that and show you one of the key features you will want to set up when you create a Canva assignment in Canvas. And that is you want to make the submission type online right here. So you want to select online, and then you want to enable file uploads right here and make sure that you save that. If you want to learn more about assignments, you can check out my video about assignments. But for now, just know that if you want to create a Canva assignment, those are some of the features that you will want to enable. I'm actually going to click Edit again to embed the template that I've created from Canva. And so obviously I'm going to create my assignment, enter any details or information that students would need, possibly links to complete the work. But right here, I have an example or a template that I could put in. And so I'm simply going to go to the plugin right here, and I'm going to select Canva for Education. And I'm going to click that. It's going to take just a moment to load, and I will see all the graphics that I've created in Canva. And right here is my volcano template, so I'm going to select that. And on the first page, I have the option, do I want to link the text or do I want to embed it? I want to embed it, so I'm going to single click there. And then do I want the students to view the design only, or do I want each student to have a new design? Again, it tells me right here it's going to be shared as a template. So each student will have a blank copy of this automatically in their Canva instance, so they can go there and edit that and then turn it into you through Canvas. So now students see the example, but they also will have that template saved for them so that they can edit that template and create their own creation from the basic work that you have given them. So now if I save that, I see what it looks like on the teacher end, and then we'll take a look and see how this looks for a student. To take a look how students are going to see this assignment, I'm going to navigate back to modules. For modules, you can see that I've already placed this assignment right here in my example for video module, and I've published that. Once I've done that, I can simply click Student View in the upper portion of the screen right here, and then I will see this assignment. I can click on the assignment, and from there, I will see the template that I've embedded. Students can access this in a couple of different ways. They can access it by clicking right here. They can access it by clicking Canva for Education here, or they can simply go to Canva for Education because Canva and Canvas are linked, and so that template will appear for them in their Canva for Education instance. When they have completed the assignment and they are ready to turn in, they've edited their own template, they've put in the requirements that are necessary for the assignment, they are going to select More. Now, I have enhanced assignments turned on. If you do not have enhanced assignments turned on, you may have to select from the other options that are available in this area. But I'm going to select More, and then I'm going to select Canva for Education. And from there, I will see everything that I've created as a Canva user, and I will select the item that I want to turn in, and then I would simply submit that assignment. Hopefully that helps you create a Canva assignment template and place it in Canvas. If you have any questions about that process, please let me know.